Hello subscribers, welcome back to my channel. It's nice having you back. Today I'm going to show you on how you can increase a line weight of an Autocad Civil3D. When designing on Autocad Civil3D, you can increase your line weight in a cases whereby you want it to be more visible. Alright, it's quite easy. What you simply do is that you use this icon called show/hide lightweight on and off. At times this might not be on after the installation of Autocad Civil3D, but if you want to put it on, what you simply do is you come to these three icons here, you click on it, customization, then you come to this place. You can see now the line weight is on. I've checked it in, so when I click on it now, you can see it's no longer there. But if I want it to be there, then I'll click on it, so it's now back. So that is how to bring in your line. So that is how to bring in your line weight. So you can see now when I off it, it's not displaying what I want again. Now, for you to be able to design this type of thing, what will you do? Firstly, what you simply do is that, let's assume I want to use a rectangle to do that. So this is it on my screen here. I'll just do what? I'll just draw out my rectangle, and if I want to use circle, I'll draw out my circle. Fine. Then after drawing out my rectangle and my circle, what I'll simply do is I'll select what I want to increase the line weight. Then I'll right click and then I'll click on properties. Then after clicking on properties, I'll come to this place. You can see here line weight. So what I'll do is that I will increase the line weight. So what I'll be doing now is that I'm going to give it 0.30 millimeter. Right, this I'll give this 0.80 millimeter, so that we can see the difference of the line weight. Then I can give this color. Let me give this as a red, while I give this as green. Okay, that's fine. So now by the time I will come to this icon, my line show/hide line weight, when I click it, you can see it's currently off. So when I click on it, you can see it has come up. That is how to increase your line weight on Autocad Civil3D. And if you are not satisfied with this, you can just come back. Then what you do, you can just click here, then you can increase it to, you can increase this to how you want it to be. If you want it to be bold, you can do that. That is how to increase your line weight, but you always make sure this icon is brought out from your customization here, where you check in, and then once it's on, it's going to display. Then when you put it off, it's going to maintain the normal size. Thank you.